pretty ugly dent in the rear door and cab corner of this Toyota Tundra. We are going to repair this without having to repaint or do any kind of body work. You can see there's some damage to the rear cab there, as well as the rear door, like we mentioned. High strength steel material, very difficult to manipulate this using the paintless method. It's going to give us a run for the money, but we're going to put in the time to make this repair look like it absolutely never happened. We're going to leave this vehicle in its factory condition. You can see we're slowly manipulating that metal from the back side of this cab corner. We were able to get a tool inside that cab corner and slowly push it out using our lighting reflection on the panel. And this is our tool that we used to do that. Here's our final product here after 8 hours of metal manipulation on this vehicle. This vehicle remains 100% original. You can see the scuff marks left over, but I left those purposely just to kind of show you that this in fact was done without doing any kind of changing of the paint or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and buff those scuffs off for the customer here shortly. But before we do that, I just wanted to show you under the light reflection here what this repair looks like up close and personal. You can see the texture of the paint remains intact, just like it never happened. And we actually didn't have to take anything apart on this vehicle with the exception of a couple little weather strip pieces on the door. We left the door panel intact. We left the door on the vehicle to do the repair. We did not drill any access holes to gain access to the backside. We did a lot of this with the glue pulling method. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something new. I appreciate you watching. Thanks again.
Yes. Some lady just got